Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whispers, you know we got to talk about yesterday's. So yesterday, the first stock I was watching, actually, the futures, the E-minis. I told you about that big volume bar pre-market. All right, pre-market price action tells us everything, especially on the futures. A huge volume bar. I told you I was bullish above 2053 and bearish below 2051. Never went below 2051, just continued to go higher. Wow, this thing is spiking up all the way to about 2084. So that was a great whisper. A lot of my traders did really well on the long side yesterday. But there were a couple of traders in particular that just killed it, and these are my girls. Celeste rocked my yesterday's whisper, Bank of America. Right, she's still in it. I think her target is 18, if you recall. Actually, this was 2 days ago. I was bullish above 1750. Yesterday, I told you to watch that 1760 level, and you can see she's continuing to go up. And also Pinky Panther, she also rocked Bank of America, so great job. Also yesterday, told you to watch BHP Whisper after spotting a big print, $28.50 yesterday. And my trader, Roxanne, Foxy Roxy, she rocked BHP as soon as it broke above $28.50. You can see it's trading way higher there this morning, so you got to follow those prints. Also yesterday, EIMG was another whisper. Oh, IEMG, sorry about that. After spotting that big print at 41.50, and you can see later on in the afternoon, this thing started to move upward. And FXI, right? Remember I told you about that print at $37.60? Well, end of the day, this thing finally broke above, and a really great trade up to the 38 level. But another trader, another girl in my room, Leslie, aka Glider Girl, she was hot yesterday as well. She was shorting oil, shorting gold, so great trading, girls. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, I see a print here on my block trade indicator on a USO, right? 200,000 shares at $12.92. So here's how I'm going to trade this. You can see the pivot is right here at 1303. I'm going to be bullish above the pivot. All right, above the print, above the pivot, and I'm going to be bearish below $12.80, and I'm going to use the futures as a guide. Here are the oil futures, and you can see a lot of volume came in when it hit this support line right here, right, and took a bounce up. But if it can't hold the support line, starts to move lower, right, great short. However, if it breaks up, especially breaks above this pivot here at 42, the same time that USO is breaking up through that, that is your high probability trade. So I'm not really seeing too many stocks that I like today pre-market, but that doesn't mean we're not going to see a lot of great trades today. Just don't see a lot of great setups this morning. Do have my eye on SDRL, a lot of volume coming in, but only bullish above 640 on this one. Yesterday's prints on the SPY, if you follow me on Twitter and StockTwits, there were millions and millions and millions all day long late dark pool buy prints at 205.40. Okay, so you wonder why the market went up yesterday the way it did? Well, somebody at about 4 o'clock in the morning was buying millions of shares down here, and that's what pushed us up. So stay tuned to see what prints come in today. So come watch me trade along with my amazing traders at the Job Pit Trading Room, www.thestockwhisper.com, and it's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.